Good noon to everyone. Today we will start Damascene reaction. Earlier we already did pinacol and pinacolin. Today we will take one example of Damascene rearrangement. Like we can define the Damascene rearrangement is the chemical reaction of primary amines with nitrous acid to give the reaction to rearrangement alcohol. It involves substitution by a hydroxyl group with a possible ring expansion, and it is named after the Russian name that is known as Nevyazov-Damascene reaction. So, for to explain this kind of reaction, I am taking one common example. If we are taking common example, we are taking any primary amine which will be react with the HNO2 and temperature will be 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. So what happened? There will be diazotization. I hope everybody know what is diazo. Diazo means whenever the two nitrogen will be directly combined, this is known as diazotization. What happened? Now amine will be converted into RN2. Here diazotization, that means now N2 will be become as a leaving group. Fine. Then after that, whenever the temperature will be slightly rise, it will be convert into R positive. Then the rearrangement will take place over there. So for that, I am just taking another example. We have taken this amine, cyclamine. It will be react with HNO2 and this will produce the one. This is the, and one is a ring contraction, another will be the ring expansion. So to understand this reaction, we have to go through the mechanism. Actually utility to Damascene reaction, because why we studied this all to understand this, this rearrangement has found particular application to ring contraction as well as the ring expansion in cyclic compound, and the another application is however ring is going to be open or contract, it depend upon the stability of the carbocation. So guys, we just understand this is the simple statement. You just note down this whole page and you take the screenshot for that. Now the next, I am showing you the mechanism over here. We have taken this simple example. This is the this will be the cyclo compound we have already taken, and it will be react with the HNO2. Fine. And what happened? Water molecule can easily eliminate out, and after that, this nitrogen, the lone pair of electrons will be shifted to nitrogen over here. Then finally, OH bond can easily break down and we will get the CH2 and triple bond N. Then again, because this is a diazonium, so as you know, whenever the diazo salt will be formed, it always eliminate nitrogen. So here nitrogen will eliminate and we will get this kind of product, right? CH2 will be only over here and it will give us this product. So whenever the N2 will be eliminated, so definitely it will carry positive charge over here. Carbon will positive, so it will carry positive charge. And now between the carbon 1 and 2, it will be shift and it will break down and it will be joined to the directly CH2. So this ring, here is the ring of 4 carbon atom, but now it will be expand and it will be converted into 5 carbon atom. So carbon 1 is again, it will carry positive charge, and from the water molecule it will be take out the OH negative ion and we will get the final product over here. And we will see over here ring contraction. There is one possibility कि if it will be directly azonide and directly react with H2O and it will give the same cyclic ring compound. बात करते हैं बिकॉज अर्लियर हमारा ये हो गया कि रिंग एक्सपेंशन कैसे हो रहा है। तो रिंग एक्सपेंशन में आपने देख लिया, फर्स्ट डायआज़ोटाइजेशन हो रहा है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकल रहा है, देन नाइट्रोजन निकल रहा है, एंड फाइनली व्हाट हैपन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वी आर हैविंग पॉजिटिव चार्ज, दिस इज 1 डिग्री कार्बोकैटायन, बट जैसे ही यहाँ पे जो है इट विल बी कन्वर्ट, here it will carry this charge, it will become 2 degree carbocation. So why this shift will be proceed, because it will carry 1-2 shift and ring expansion will take place, because in comparison to primary carbocation, secondary carbocation is more stable, and finally what we will get the final product in which ring will expand. Now another example in which the ring will contract, I am taking the same, but here सबसे पहले guys you just learn this thing, जब भी साइक्लो के बाहर कोई भी एल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच है एमीन के साथ में, साइक्लो के साथ में जब भी एल्काइल ग्रुप अटैच है तो डेफिनेटली वो रिंग एक्सपेंशन में जाएगा। दिस इज द ट्रिक। अब यहाँ पे देखो एग्जाम्पल इज सेम, बट हियर आई हैव टेकन साइक्लोब्यूटेन एमीन, तो यहाँ पे जो ये एमीन हमने लिया है, देयर विल बी नो एल्काइल ग्रुप ओवर हियर, नाउ इट विल बी रिएक्ट सेम कंडीशन, सेम HNO2, हियर द अगेन diazotization, N2 will be here, nitrogen will be leave out. You just note down here the intermediate species, it is the 2 degree carbon atom. Now the question will arises, then what happen? Why it will proceed further? Because 2 degree is already stable, so why it will proceed further? Because after that 1-2 shift will be take place, and there one cyclo compound is formed. Here again you say कि मैम here यहाँ तो 1 डिग्री बन रहा है और यहाँ पे 2 डिग्री ऑलरेडी बना हुआ था, तो वहाँ अपनी रिएक्शन को क्यों प्रोसीड किया है? बट इन दिस केस इफ आई एक्सप्लेन, because this is cyclopropane, and you know I already told you in cyclopropane there will be banana bond concept over there. So banana bond concept is over there, and there will be non-classical, that is the non-classical carbonium ion, and whenever the banana bond is present and the non-classical banana bond, what happen? It is non-classical, or because due to its non-classical character, this carbocation is more stable in comparison to 2 degree carbocation, and finally we will get the ring contract product. So like you got the point. Whenever the cyclic compound having outer side the ring having alkyl group, so definitely that ring will be go to the expansion. If it is not having CH2 outside the ring, so definitely it will go to the contraction. Now the stability में you have to learn कि whenever the banana bond is present in the ring, so definitely that carbocation will be more stable, either it will be 1 degree or 2 degree. So this is about the now the question arises, what is the utility of damage of reaction, why we are doing? So basically if we have seen, it is more useful for the homologous formation in cyclic ketone that contain the members ring. Suppose karo like homologous, तो you know suppose karo CH3COH, this is the acetic acid, so what is the homologous of that acid? That will be CH3CH2COH, so they are homologous. So why this is useful too, because जैसे ही ring expand होगा तो definitely वहाँ पे CH2 will be introduced in that. Now like we can summarize, a specific variation of damage or reaction which leads to homologous formation is cyclic ketone. It is called as damage of reaction. Now one question is come in CSIR. They have just given this example. Here CH3NO2, this will be react over here, and finally NO2, it will be attached in that form. Then after that reduction will take place, and finally we will get this product. What happened? if we will get this molecule, so definitely now it will be proceed from to the damage of rearrangement. HNO2 we have taken 0 to 5 degree temperature, and nitrogen will be eliminated out, and finally what happened, 1 and 2 carbon bond be shifted over here, and here 6 carbon atom ring is there. Next what happened, it will be converted, it expand, it will be converted into 7 carbon atom ring. So this is clear, this is the damage of reaction, and this is one of the simplest rearrangement in all over your MSc. Thank you everyone.